Best regards, dear tutor and partners. I am Rosa Maria Frade, and this is my final activity related with the topic that I choose, that is reduplication. What does it mean, reduplication? It's a semantic process of forming new words by doubling a morpheme. When we talk about this term, it's important to take into account that this includes three meanings. The first one is the process. The second one, the result of the process. I mean new words that are called also twin words. And the third one is the element repeat, is the basic or origin to morphemes. About the characteristics, one of these is that the initial syllable or entire word is double, like in the word bye-bye or night. It's often used in children's language, so as you know, it's common to hear a baby saying words like gaga gaga, tata tata. Is not a common or regular process in English. So, in general, we don't use this kind of word to communicate our ideas. And finally, are used for humorous or ironic effects. Okay, kinds of reduplication. We have two types. Here we're going to name two types of reduplication, and later we are going to explain this type in depth. Total reduplication, as in clap clap and tick tick. As you can see, the first and the second part in this reduplication is exactly the same. Partial reduplication. Here we have two subtopics. Ablaut or vocalic reduplication. For example, chit chat, zigzag. In the first and in the second part, the vowel change. And the other subtype, rhyming reduplication, for example, willy-nilly, walkie-talkie. Here, the first consonant change, like W, N, and W, T. As I told you before, the result of the reduplication process is called twin words. And here we have three types. The first one is change of vowel, like in ding dong, tip top. The second one, change of initial consonant, like willy nilly, teeny weeny. And finally, repetition without change, like in tick tick and jump jump. Okay, as you can see, these are some examples about exact reduplication. The two halves of an exact reduplication are exactly the same. Baby words most often fall into this category, which shows how youngest learn the language, but other examples are here, as you can see. Rhyming reduplication. The two halves of the reduplication are not exactly the same, but they rhyme with each other. Many a time, product names are formed this way, such as Tic Tac, Fruit Loops, Nutter Butter, Slim Jims, etc. Ablaut refers to those words which change form when a vowel is shifted. This reduplication suggests a promotion or changing state from one form to another. Functions. Reduplication has many different functions. It can express disparagement, for example, the word namby-pamby, that it means male who is overly weak, sentimental, or indecisive. Here we have a picture about. Intensification, the word super duper, that it means fantastic. Diminution, with the word teeny weeny, the meaning is very small thing. Another one, onomatopoeia, the word tick-tock. is a word formed by imitation of a sound, noise, or even a visual phenomenon. These kind of words are so common in cartoons, like in this case. Alternation, the word ping pong, for example, among other uses. Here in alternation, we can also talk about irregular pronouns, for example, mouse, miss, foot, feet, goose, geese, man, men, woman, woman, and tooth or teeth. So this was my activity. Thank you very much for your attention, and I hope for your comments. Thanks.